Hello and welcome back to another episode of Coding with ChatGPT live sessions. Today we are diving into our timeless project, building a calculator. Whether you have done this before or it's your first time, today's session will have a twist as we rely solely on ChatGPT's guidance. Will it be simple, scientific? Let's find out together. Remember, these sessions are unscripted, capturing the true essence of live coding. So let's get started. All right, I already have created my React.js project that is very basic with the hello world message in it, and I already have configured the Tailwind CSS as well. So it is ready to be used. Now we can go back to our chat GPT and let's get help to optimize our prompt. So let's write our first prompt, that is create a simple calculator app using React JS and Tailwind CSS. A simple or scientific calculator with basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Make sure that uh, make sure to provide 100% completed code without skipping anything. Ready for production. Make sure that the UI is 100%. UI is very user friendly. User experience should be amazing. UI should look very modern and attractive. Okay, so let's see how it will optimize my prompt. Oops, it did not optimize my prompt. It started to create the solution. I will have to write that optimize my prompt or enhance my prompt. Okay, so with that it will use the plugin that I want it to use, and then it will give me the updated prompt. Oops, it is still not doing the correct thing. So let me literally tell that it has to optimize the prompt that I provided below. The following prompt. Okay. I think there is something wrong because I did not uh, use the everything, because I have provided a lot of things but I did not use them. So I don't know if it is doing the right thing, or maybe it is doing it. So let's basically read the prompt that it has created. As an expert in Tailwind CSS and React, your mission is to create an innovative and visually appealing calculator app. You will employ this power React.js built functional and interactive user interface, allowing users to perform calculation effortlessly. Tailwind CSS will utilize to style the app, ensuring it is responsive across different devices. To accomplish this task, follow the steps below. Set up the new React.js project, create a new component, design the layout of the calculator, implement the necessary functions, create UI components, build display screens, handle the user interactions, test the calculator app, deploy the... maybe I should try to use a different plugin. So let's try that. Or maybe let's try the same plugin from scratch. and let's see if it uses if it feeds my entire prompt to this plugin. No, it is still not feeding the entire thing, so let me try something else. So I'm going to find another plugin to optimize my prompt. So let's try this one. Right. The plugin has been selected. Now let's paste our initial prompt and let's see how it will optimize it. So it has rephrased my prompt, and let's read that prompt. Can you please create a calculator application using React.js and Tailwind CSS? The calculator should have both simple and scientific functionalities, including basic operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication. It is uh, important that you provide a fully completed code that is ready for production without leaving out any essential components. Additionally, please ensure that the user interface is highly user friendly, providing an amazing user experience. The UI should have modern and attractive appearance. Okay, let's see what it does. Uh, okay, I, let's see how it is created. I have copied the app.js and now let's test it in the browser. All right, this is the calculator that we can see. First, let's test its features. So I'm going to plus some things and let's see. Yes, it is working. And let me try. Okay, I think everything is working fine. Uh, all right, we can ask it to improve the calculator. So also there are no scientific functions in this calculator. So let's address with the Chat GPT. Please make a better calculator with that should have better uh, uh, modern UI with and also should have scientific calculations. So let's see. All right, now let's copy this code and go back here, replace the app.js and okay, let's reload it. Yeah, now it is better than before. And it has other operations as well, like square root. Okay, at the end, let's look at the source code that it has generated. In our app.js, we have two states that are created. One is input and second one is the result. And then we have the handle button click function that is executed whenever a button is clicked. So we have a calculate function that has some logic when this function is executed. Then we, in the try catch, we set the result state with the evolve function that basically get the expression and evaluate and pass the result to this variable. If something is wrong, then it will just show the error in the result. And we have a function that will clear the input. So we have the basic Tailwind and HTML code. And here we have the input that has the default value coming from the input state. And we are showing the result in the screen below the input. And these are all of the buttons that we are generating. So we have an array and we're using the map function on it. And in the map function, we have a button that is being generated with the help of map function. So we are returning this button as the result of this map array. And in that button, we are on the click on the button. We are checking that if user clicked on the equal button, then we need to calculate. Otherwise, we need to handle the button click. So, all right. After that, we are showing the text for the button that we are getting from the map array. And we have a clear button that will call the clear input function. And then we have these few operations or items that we are showing in the buttons. So here we are checking that if user clicks on that, then we will call the function handle button click. And if button is equal to square root, then we'll return this string. And if the button is equal to this, if this, then show this, otherwise show this text. And we are again using a ternary operator here as well. So if button is equal to this, then use this one, otherwise use this. So this is kind of nested ternary operators that are being used in the one line. And at the end, we're showing the button. So I think that's all that I wanted to have in this session. So, all right, a calculator built with the combined power of human intuition and ChatGPT's artificial intelligence. These live sessions aim to showcase the blend of creativity and unpredictability and spontaneity in coding. If you enjoyed this genuine approach to building, do leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more such adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the vast world of coding and always be ready to learn something new.